Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And oh my goodness, I cannot believe it is already the middle of November. We are getting into the harvesting, like Thanksgiving. I'm super excited. So I had these little harvest stickers and I just thought they were adorable. I'm going to use what I'm going to use. And then when you guys get your thank you notes from me, I'm pretty sure they're going to have some of these adorable little guys on there. So they are so cute. These came from Michael's. They're only $1 for the whole entire set there. Now that I'm looking, oh no, they came from Target, the Target dollar spot. So, all right, I also have some washi. This one was from the Paper Society. This one is from Dollar Tree, and I just thought they looked rather fall and Thanksgiving-y kinda, and they had some of the same colors that were on here, so I said they should work well. Of course, I'm going to be using my planner pages. You can get these free on my blog, beautyandthestamper.com. Just look for planner pages in the the little search, and they should come right up. So we've got that. I've already hole punched them. I've moved to using a hole punch instead of the Happy Planner just because I have a nice big thick hole punch and I'm using just notebook paper in my Happy Planner right now. So I'm going to find the edge of this and we are going to get started. Today for my cutting, I'm going to be using the Michael's. Oh, I love it. I already love the sound. It's kind of a little bit of, what is that, ASMR? Is that what it's called? But I'm just going to be using my Michael's gift card here to go ahead and take care of that. I love that sound so much. And then, of course, I'm going to cover up this. I don't need to know who it's created by. Don't worry, I won't feel offended if you cover it up either. But at least you have it when you need to look for it again. If you use my planner sticker or my planner pages, either my monthly, my weekly, and I'm not sure if I have my daily up there, but let me know, would you? I'd love to know if you're using them or not, or have given them a try. And if not, go ahead and give it a try. I love being able to pass on my arts and crafts love and passion to you. So I thought that would be fun. I'm already loving it. I don't even know if I need this one, but it's so pretty. I think I am going to do it right down at the bottom because it's, I mean, you can't go wrong, right, with the Planner Society. I feel like it wants to be right here. That's the hard, oh, here it is. The hard part's always finding the edge. So, there we go. Let me know in the comments what you're going to be doing for Thanksgiving. Do you celebrate Thanksgiving? Let me know. And if you are, who's cooking and what are you making? And when it gets to these times, do you do your planning when you already know, like, oh, family's going to be in town that week? I'm not even going to plan anything. So I don't know. Oh, okay. Well, that happened. Where did it go, though? Man, I haven't had that happen in a long time. I feel like that used to happen to me all the time when I first started planning and wasn't real sure what to do. I kind of make it still real simple. I like to be simple and, you know. So we'll do this one right here. And I'm just going to look through these lovely little stickers And we're definitely going with some of these animals. I have some turkeys here, but I think we're going to save that for next week. At least that one little turkey, but how cute are these? I'm going to just put some of these here and there just to decorate. And this is what you can do when you're like in a bit of a hurry. Just grab some stickers and go ahead and place them. And don't be afraid to overlap them with your washi. And then also make sure you set up a little, what would this be? A little scene if you'd like. So we're going to have a bunch of little falling leaves perhaps, maybe some acorns, whatever you'd like. You know me, you know my whatever you'd like. But I'm going to have these definitely falling here from and crossing over. They're all so cute and so different. I got a little risky. I'm like, I'm going to stick it way over here. And then I'm like, no, I need to write there. So, there we go. And then we'll have just some other little guys over here. Maybe a squirrel. And some little acorns. Look at that huge acorn. We'll make them more little acorns there. And then we'll have this little squirrel talking with him there. These are just so cute. Now we already have the one deer, but we'll put this deer over here as well. And then I'm going to take another little deer and I'm going to have him, I think we'll have him right here, being friends. There we go. Just so cute. Oh, I found another little leaf here. That is beautiful. And here's another leaf. They're so pretty. We've got some great leaves over here. Alright, so we've got that part done there. This little guy is just too cute. If you could see him. And just stick your stickers wherever you'd like. Isn't that cute? That is just adorable. Okay, we're going to move over to this side here. I haven't even looked at the other pages. I just got so enthralled here. But these are super cute. I think these are more, I would use those more for envelopes. Oh yeah, look at this. These are huge. And then we've got our little guys there as well. So I think between these two pages, we are going to just have a good time. This one I'm going to just put right here. You can't really see. There we go. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I don't want to do the same way, but kind of have to with my little dot right there. But I'm going to take this nice big one and I'm going to kind of go across like that. Again, don't be afraid to overlap your stickers. Now, for this one, I have a list of things that need to be accomplished. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to make my own little checklist with these guys. Let's put that one going the wrong way. Giving myself enough room there. And they're all different sizes. In fact, I'm going to get the big one here. Stick him there. And then I have my own little checklist that I can use. we go. So I can write those on here. I love it. Alright, I think I'm going to come over here. I'm going to get myself another leaf. And then one more leaf over here. They're just so pretty. And then we'll put a little pumpkin right down here. That is adorable. I am definitely loving these leaves. I think we're going to go right back here to these guys. Put that fox right there. And then this little guy, he should be coming and scampering across the page, right? Where's he going to go? Right here? Adorable. And now I'm just filling these little guys in with a little bit of this and that. I love this little squirrel. He's so cute. And then I think I'm going to use this little guy as well. I know I've already used him, but he's just so cute. Alright, I'm pretty... Oh my goodness, look at this little guy. He's going to go right in here. It's a cute little snail. Look at that. So, that's all I've done, you guys. That's it. That's everything. It's so cute. It cost me $1. $1, that's it. I used washi that I had on hand. That's washi's gonna go far, far, far. So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to get your own, I've already done the hard work for you. Just go to beautyandthestamper.com, print out the tutorial, and you are good to go. You could save it and use it each week. I also have monthly planners, and I think I have daily. If not, it will go on there soon. So, alright beauties, I hope you like this. I hope you guys have a great planned week and have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Alright, I love you so much. Bye.